Assalamu alaikum. I'm Numan Mehboob, and today I receive a console card and a console from a customer. This is a Proform treadmill, and the problem that was faced by the customer was whenever he powers the treadmill, the display of the treadmill starts flickering. I mean, the digits here are going on and off, on and off. So this was basically the case of the voltages, that our display was not receiving the particular voltages. Normally displays receive voltages from 12 to 20 volts from the lower motor controller card. So here it was a bit confusing issue, because we both have controllers in the upper console board and the lower motor controller board, and both have voltage regulators as well. Normally the lower control board sends the voltages to the upper board, and the upper board then regulate it to 5 volts and use it. So initially, for solving our confusion, we just gave our supply here in these two pins, the red and black. I gave a 12 volts and from this power supply, and just saw that my display is working good. All the system was in on condition. So it was now clear that the main issue was from this side. Now, what was the problem here? The problem was, I have checked all the components here, the diode, resistances and all the things, but all of them were okay. So at the end, my technical knowledge went towards that capacitor. I thought that might be the capacitor is not working good. Whenever the capacitor goes faulty, you will face the problem of voltage drops in your circuit. So here, this was the capacitor, 25 volts and 10,000 microfarads. How I checked it? I give the supply here, the negative terminal on this point, positive on this one, and gave the 25 volts from my power supply. I charge it, and when I just remove the pins, I give it a short. Then the discharge speed, or you can say the discharge voltages or the sparks of this capacitor was very low. If someone is checking it through meter, he will think that the capacitor is good, but practically we check it by giving a voltages from the power supply. So I have just removed this capacitor and installed 25 volts and 1000 farads. This is 10,000 farads, but I have no need. I know this was a very old board, so I only need 1000 microfarads will be enough for me. So I just put that capacitor there, and now I'm just powering it up. I hope it will work good. Now it's on. Coming here. Now I'm connecting it. And now you can see that it is okay. So this was our today problem. I hope you liked my video, and for any kind of technical knowledge, any problem, any issues while you are repairing your cards, so you can contact me. I will surely be helping you out. Thank you.